Krispy Kreme has publicly announced it filed for an IPO and shared its plans to trade on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol DNUT. Donut, get it? Well, Brooke DiPalma is here with all of the details in this week's Brooke's Bites. Hi, Brooke.
Kristen, that's right. Krispy Kreme certainly hoping to sweeten up investors ahead of its second public debut. Now, you may remember back in the first quarter of 2020, its quarterly revenue was $261.2 million, only to be outdone by a 23% spike in revenue. To fast forward to Q1 of 2021, that quarterly revenue hit $321.81 million. But the company first went public back in early 2000, only to file for Chapter 11 bankruptcy in 2005. Then in 2016, the company was sold in a $1.35 billion deal and bought by both privately owned JEB Holding Company and BDT Capital Partners. Now, reportedly helping the company go public includes JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, Bank of America, and Citigroup. In this public debut, the company hopes to share its growth strategy, including expanding its omnichannel network in new and existing markets, driving additional efficiency benefits, and increasing those trial and frequency, including its many free donut incentives and those sweet treats like key lime pie and fun, only seasonal flavors.
You know, Brooke, interesting to see that some of these banks might be getting a second round of IPO donuts from the same company since they're giving it another stab. But I want to switch gears and ask a little bit about the vaccination effort that Krispy Kreme had. People will recall that they were giving out free donuts to people who proved that they got the vaccine shot. Are there any numbers or updates that we got from Krispy Kreme in terms of how that program fared?
Brian, since March 22nd, when that debuted, when that free incentive for COVID-19 vaccinated Americans, 1.5 million donuts were given away by the donut giant. And now, if you may remember, it was first faced with controversy that perhaps its free donut incentive was trading off one pandemic for another pandemic, being the obesity crisis. But CEO Mike Tattersfield rebutted those critiques in an interview with Yahoo Finance back on March 26th.
Listen, we're a sweet treat company, and if folks don't want to visit a donut shop, they don't have to. Folks that want to get a vaccine, if they decide to, come by and Krispy Kreme pick up a donut, they can. That's how we look at it.
And now it certainly paid off. Krispy Kreme saw a spike in 40% foot traffic in the month of April, and we're looking forward to seeing what's next.
All right, absolutely. I'm just looking forward to getting some of those Krispy Kreme donuts, especially after seeing that video. They definitely look tasty. Thanks so much, Brooke DiPalma, for bringing us all of those updates and details.